Good evening, children. I am going to teach you the sun and the wind. The story of two friends. There are sun and wind is the friend of each other. We are the friend, but there was wind was very naughty and he blew and he tossed and rushed through trees and gardens and houses. He also scattered the things here and there. He teased the sun, see what I can do, what kind and I can do, I am stronger than you. He teased the sun, and sun said, I don't think so, said the sun. Then he saw, yes, I am. You are not. The wind was said that, yes, I say yes. Wind said that, like, and he teased the sun. Then what happened? Look at the man who was on the farm. The wind said that, look at the man on the farm. There's blanket around his shoulder. I will make him throw it away. Let us see. And then what happened? Wind started blowing and blowing and blowing. He blew and blew. He blew hard, but the man did not throw the blanket away. Why? Because it's cold and so man can't away this blanket. It is so windy, said the man, and he's very windy, and wrapped the blanket tightly around his shoulder. And the sun smiled and said that, the wind, now what's this? Then sun began to get hot and hot and hot. It became very, very, very hot. Ooh, the man said, ooh, it's very now, it is very hot, too hot. He took the blanket away from him, threw it corner and threw it corner. Now tell me, who is stronger, the sun and the wind? Like this is one of the story which there are two friends, wind and sun. And wind said that I am stronger than sun, and sun said that look. And then he started the challenge both of and wind. There are one man who was his farm and blanket around his shoulders. Then wind said that, firstly sun said that I will make him throw it away. Then the wind started blowing. He blew, but the man did not throw the blanket away because there is very windy, and so wrapped the blanket around his shoulder tightly. But the sun smiled and said that, look at them, now my time, sun said that. And then the sun began to get hot and hot and hot. He became very, very, very hot. Then says this man who was on the farm, he said that, oh, very hot, now it's way too hot. because very hot. And then he took the blanket from his off and threw it on in a corner. Then sun said that, now tell me who is stronger, the sun and wind. Who is stronger? The sun is stronger. Like that, this is one of the story to you. There are some words, very important words. Now listen carefully. I will say the spelling of these words and pronunciation of these words, and you look at this spelling. T-H-E, the, S-U-N, sun, A-N-D, and, T-H-E, the, W-I-N-D, wind. Like that, the sun and the wind. Then T-H-E, the, S-U-N, sun, A-N-D, and, T-H-E, the, W-I-N-D, wind, W-E-R-E, wear, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends, beauty, but, T-H-E, the, W-I-N-D, wind, W-A-S, was, N-A-U-G-S-T, naughty, he, H-E, he, B-L-E-W, blue, A-N-D, and, H-E, he, T-O-S-S-E-D, tossed, A-N-D, and, he, H-E, he, R-U-S-H-E-D, rushed, T-H-R-O-U-G-S, through, T-R-E-E-S, trees, A-N-D, and, G-A-R-D-E-N-S, gardens, A-N-D, and, H-O-U-S-E-S, houses, H-E, he, S-C-A-T-T-E-R-E-D, scattered, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, H-E-R-E, here, A-N-D, and, T-H-E-R-E, dear, H-E, he, T-E-A-S-E-D, teased, T-H-E, the, S-U-N, sun, C, S-E-E-C, fart, W-H-A-T, fart, I, C-A-N, can, D-O, do, I, A-M-M, S-T-R-O-N-G-E-R, stronger, T-H-A-N, than, Y-O-U, I, D-O, apostrophe T, don't, T-H-I-N-K, think, S-O, so, S-A-I-D, said, the, T-H-E, the, S-U-N, sun, Y-E-S, yes, I, A-M-M, N-O, no, Y-O-U, you, R-A-R-E-R, N-O-T, not, Y-E-S, yes, I, say, S-A-Y, say, yes, Y-E-S, yes, S-A-I-D, said, T-H-E, the, W-I-N-D, wind, L-O-O-K, look, A-T, at, T-H-E, the, M-A-N, man, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, F-A-R-M, farm, T-H-E-R-E-S, theirs, A, B-L-A-N-K-E-T, blanket, A-R-O-U-N-D, around, H-I-S, his, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R-S, shoulders, I, W-I-L-L, will, M-A-K-E, make, H-I-M, him, T-H-R-O-W, through, I-T, eat, A-W-A-Y, away, L-E-T, late, U-S, us, S-E-E-C, S-A-I-D, said, T-H-E, the, S-U-N, sun, T-H-E-N, then, T-H-E, the, W-I-N-D, wind, S-T-A-R-T-D, started, B-L-O-W-I-N-G, blowing, he, blew, blew, and and, blew, he, blew, hard, beauty, bird, the, man, did, not, through, throw, the, blanket, away, eat, is, so, windy, said, the, man, and, wrapped, the, blanket, tight, around, his, shoulders, then the, son, smiled, and said, to, the, wind, now, watch, this, they, then, the, son, began, get, hot, he, became, became, very, very, hot, said, said, the, man, now, apostrophe s, it's, hot, he, took, the, blanket, blanket, off, and, through, eat, in, corner, now, tail, me, who, is, stronger, the, son, or, the, the, wind. Like that you will read this story on your home. I will say the pronunciation of each word of this story, and you listen carefully and practice to read it. Thank you.